Hello everyone, welcome to our next episode. This week we're gonna have a little bit of proverb content. In the meantime, I will be reading some joseki book so that next week I will be able to present to you your first joseki line that you've requested. But today we're gonna go with the proverb "tokin on 5-3 cannot lose." You might have heard some other translations of the same one, but the idea is the same. Tokin on 5-3 or 5-7 will be a very strong attacking piece for you. How do you get tokin on 5-3? Usually you have a dangling pawn on 5-4 square. Dangling pawn is a pawn that you drop specifically on the 4th row so that you can promote it on the next turn. And this is how you make that powerful tokin. Why is specifically 5-3 tokin so powerful? Well, if we look at the game examples, if we have enemy Anaguma, this tokin just being here seemingly exerts a lot of pressure on the enemy camp already, right? It's even worse if we talk about castles like Mino Castle, or in this case half Mino. You can already imagine just adding one more general here and like breaking the castle, right? Also, if they had a gold here, it would be directly under attack. And of course, with sitting king, it's even worse. The tokin presence just surrounds the king completely. If you have one more gold or silver, it would be a checkmate threat. A very powerful piece to have. Just a reminder, if you exchange tokin for enemy general, you get a simple pawn, you get a whole general. It is always a great piece, not only to have, but sacrifice for some other one. So why are we talking about this today? Today also, two of our Discord members played a handicap game, and we reached quite interesting position, which was this is the dangling pawn. And you can see, yeah, we're almost threatening to create a tokin. The good move in this position was to put the rook here and threaten to create the tokin. So just by this simple pawn existence, how much danger it puts enemy king in. Quite beautiful. Of course, you wouldn't be able to make the tokin, which means a good fight continues, but it's a good try, right? Then, later that game, it was this side that dangled their pawn, and here, as you can see, it was ignored, which resulted in the creation of the tokin. Again, right in front of the king, putting it in great danger. So, another good advice connected to that, especially in handicap games, is do not allow enemy to create any tokin. So in this case, to prevent the tokin, we can move one of our generals up and we are quite safe. I'm gonna show you another fun example from a professional game. In this case, two lady professionals. Both of them have king in Anaguma. And you can see this side created a tokin, attacking the rook. Tokin came back. Now it's this side's turn to attack. They sacrifice the bishop, continue attacking, and we arrive at 5-3 tokin position. But funnily enough, this side also arrived at the same exact position. So we said that tokin on 5-3 cannot lose, but in this case, one side did, lose. So you shouldn't trust the proverb 100%, but you can see that those tokens enabled their attacks, so it is a very powerful piece to have, yeah? And finally, I'm gonna give you a small practical example. We have the sitting king, and we have a knight in hand. Please find a way to checkmate that king, so that you don't fall into the same trap as I did many, many years ago. Yeah. And that's all for today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with another proverb. If you like it, please tell me. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate your feedback. And for now, bye bye.